thoughts that I think towards you, says the Lord. Thoughts of peace and not of evil, to give you a future and a hope. Jeremiah 29, verse 11. Hey y'all, so this is the wig that I will be revamping today, slapping some wand curls on her, and pretty much transforming her to a whole nother human, to a whole nother hairstyle. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to detangle the hair with my brush. It wasn't really as tangled, but I just want to make sure there is absolutely no tangles in the hair before I wand curl the hair. So as I do that, I'm really just taking my time and going through the hair. So now I'm taking a rat tail comb, and what I'm doing is I'm kind of parting the space of where the baby hair will lay, and I'm using a T-pin to lay the lace down so that it does not move. I recommend that you do not put the T-pins where I put them, because you can risk ripping your lace. As for me, I'm used to this, so I know that I will avoid that. But for you, I would recommend that you put the T-pins on the side of the lace. So you'll see what I mean. Throughout this video, I'm going to put the lace, the T-pins on the side of the lace. So as of right now, I'm just reparting the hair. I did apply some mousse to kind of lay the hair where I want it to be. Mousse really does lay the hair where you want it to be once you apply it. So as you can see, I'm using it to lay my baby hairs down, as well as push the rest of the hair back, and then as well as keeping my parting together. So I'm just pulling out all the baby hairs that I already had on this wig. This wig is about 4 months old, and I'm just bringing her back together. I've been really rocking this style. Originally it was black, and then I colored it. I may insert a before of this wig. Of course, the snatch wigs is what got this wig together. Okay, so once I part the hair everywhere that I want it to be, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my Eco Styling Gel, and I'm going to push all the hair, push and comb all the hair back. This is really just going to give it that flawless effect, as you can see. Yes, honey. I don't really pluck that much because the frontals do shed over time. So I'm just using that Eco Styling Gel to really hold the hair back together, and it acts as like the glue to keep this hair together, and also not keeping the hair crunchy, giving it that crunchy hard feel. So now I'm gonna take my hot comb, y'all. This is the one that you put on the stove. Yeah, I'm lying. So this is a hot comb that used to be on the cord, then it stopped working. So I ripped the cord, I cut the cord off, and then I started using it on the stove. I know that it's real ghetto, but who cares? It is what it is. It works. I love it. I think I want to get me a stove now. But honestly, the electric one that you plug into the wall works just as well too. So I'm just really taking my time and really going through the roots. Make sure you have a hot comb. Hot combs do wonders, okay? So I'm really going through the part, the edges, the whole entire lace, honey, getting her slick and down together, okay? So now this is what I meant by making sure you put your T-pins on the side. So one on this side and another on the other end. I did put one in the middle, which is not 100% necessary. Again, I don't recommend you putting it on exactly on the lace where it will be visible, because I do not want you guys to risk ripping your lace. So now I'm going to take some foam. I do have my foam in a Nairobi bottle, but I use Lotta Body. I buy the refill from Walmart, and I just refill my mousse containers to save money. As a small business owner, I always try to save my coins as much as possible. So I'm really just taking my time and laying these baby hairs down. So I went on top first with foam mousse, and now I went on top with my Eco Styling Gel to lock it together. This combination, y'all, is undefeated. Mousse and Eco Styling Gel is undefeated, y'all. Like, it is honestly the best combo for me. So I'm doing the same thing on the other edges. Doing your baby hairs is something that takes practice, y'all. I was not always good at it. I really grew over time. So just keep practicing. Don't give up and take your time. Use what works for you. Some people use an edge brush. I use a comb. Some people use a actual toothbrush. Just find what works for you. And then eventually you will get it. Practice makes perfect. So one side is completed. It is laid to the gourds, y'all. Y'all see them baby hairs? The hair is already coming together. So I'm going to finish up the other side and show you guys what that looks like. So now that I laid down the baby hairs, I'm just pushing the hair back so that I can get the hair ready for me to tie it down. I'm going to tie it down so that I can lay the baby hairs, and that it'll be sleek by the time we are done wand curling this hair. Okay, so this is where you're just kind of making sure that everything is laid and where it's supposed to be before you tie down the hair. So here is the satin wrap that I will be using to wrap down the edges. This is from my collection. Everything will be linked down below. I love these wraps because they are perfect. They're the perfect size. They're very lightweight and slays and lays your baby hairs, period. So now that I have that tied down, I'm giving you guys a 360 of what the hair looks like, all fluffed out and ready to take these wand curls, baby. So now we're going to part a section of the hair, and I'm going to take the rest of the hair and pin it up so that it can stay out of our way. And now I'm taking our Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Flat Iron Perfector. It was basically done throughout this in the middle of the recording, so I didn't use a lot of that, but I really did use the olive oil. It's also a heat protectant. I've got both of them from Walmart, very affordable. Just get what works for you. And now I'm just running the comb through the hair, and now I'm gonna slowly show you guys how I wand curl. I got this wand curl from Ross or Didi's, I don't remember which one, but we are gonna go under the hair, and as you can see, I am twisting and turning the hair onto the rod. So not only am I just forming it into a curl, but I'm also twisting the hair. So what I like to do is I like to hold on to the hair for about 5 seconds afterwards, and then I let it drop, and this is what a perfect wand curls look like. I am going to show you guys again what that looks like. I am going to go under. From under, I'm going to twist and turn the hair, twist and turn the hair around the rod, around the flat iron, twist and turn it, twist and turn it, twist and turn it around the wand curler. So what you do is you hold it for about 15 to 30 seconds, and then before you even let it go off the wand curl, you want to hold on to it for about 5 seconds and press those curls together so that they can, I feel like that just kind of gives it some type of oomph and hold when you do it that way. So this is going to be another example of me wand curling the hair. It's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. You just go underneath, and then you twist and turn the hair, twist and turn the hair, twist and turn the hair, twist and turn the hair until you get to the very end of that piece. You want to hold on to that. I would recommend you use gloves so that you can protect yourself, because you can get burned. So you see how I hold those curls together and let go? That gives you the perfect wand curl. So that is what my wand curls look like. I made the back pretty big because you won't really see that, but just stay tuned and watch to see how I curl the rest of this hair. So this is what my curls are looking like, y'all. I am halfway through this joint and they are looking amazing. And yeah, y'all, just keep watching to see what I am doing to achieve these curls. And I'll show you guys the final results. Curls that I need to do. And yeah, as you can see, these sections are smaller. I like the curls in the front to be a little bit smaller. And I'm pretty much doing the same thing. I'm going under and then I'm letting go of the curl. As you can see, this last piece I am going under again, and I'm holding on to it, making sure that it's really sleek and has a little hump. That's what I want. And then I'm going to curl that, pretty much do the same thing, hold on to it and let go. So this is pretty much the final results of our wand curls. If you want, you can leave it like this. Of course, comb it out just a little bit, or run your fingers through the wand curls. It's really up to you how you want to wear your wand curls. But this is it. I'm going to untie the head wrap so you can see the satin wrap, so you can see what my edges are looking like, honey. So, oh yes, this is what we're looking at, y'all. Complete scalp. Okay, I had to zoom in real quick to show y'all that, y'all. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. I did add a little bit more mousse because I felt like that piece needed a little bit more mousse. I'm just fixing, finding little touches, and that's it, y'all. I'm giving you guys an up close of that, of those edges. I am going to comb it out, and because you know they're a little hard right now, but our hair looks good, y'all. It looks good. Okay, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a Y2 comb and brush out my curls. Yes, I do want a looser look with these curls. Sometimes I run my fingers through them to wear them, or sometimes I wear them just as is. It's really up to you, like I said, guys. And I just wanted that combed out look today, and I am completely in love, y'all. This is the final results of what this wig touch up is looking like, y'all. And this is why it's important to get a wig rejuvenation, revamp, whatever you want to call it, y'all. I do offer that service on my website. Definitely check that out, y'all. It is very important to do that. I will link everything down below. But guys, I really appreciate you guys for watching this, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love y'all. So this is the final wig, y'all. Do y'all see that scalp though? With lace, Swiss lace, honey. This is our Swiss lace. Nice, pretty wand curls.
instinct.